The Massivit 10,000 is something completely new. It was the first time that we saw something that was at least 5 years ahead compared to the technology we saw in the market. That's why we sat it down the same day and we decided to buy the machine. 90% of our business is focused on automotive. And we're talking about the sporting goods and especially luxury sporting goods for cars. All the major brands you may know that are also racing the Formula 1. In order to provide something unique, you have to be able and flexible enough to produce carbon fiber components for serious production, but fully customized. And we are talking about handcrafted components, which means that most of the job are done by hand. We are unique right now in our market in Europe, especially because we have multi-location. We work here in Italy, we work in Hungary, and Croatia. In the past, we had an outsourcing procedure to get the master produced by a third-party supplier. Now, with Massivit, we are able to produce in-house the master. And the target is to produce everything in-house. Having the production in-house means that you have no secrets, no confidential information which are provided outside. You use epoxy resin, raw material. Nobody else is using epoxy resin. The same resin we use for the components, the same resin we use for the bolts, which is fantastic because it's a precise material and it's really strong. Strong enough to be cooked with the master and the lamination into the autoclave. The top priority now in the market is the time to market. So the time reduction for every new sample, for every production is crucial. Thanks to the Massivit 10,000, we are able to produce the master in a couple of days and then to produce the first tool and the prototype in a couple of weeks. That's the reason why we are getting more and more orders from our customers. That's why we are getting more projects. That's why we are growing 30% per year.